Hi guys, this is Jian. Today I prepared how to make this rainbow fluorite cake. The top part is jelly and the bottom part is chocolate cake. Let's get started. First, I'm going to make some rock texture on my cake. Once you trim your cake layers, you'll have some leftover pieces. Crumble the piece and add some chocolate buttercream or any buttercream and mix it well until they incorporate together. Once it's all mixed, add some textures on your cake. I'm adding more on the bottom side because I want it to have a wider bottom. Next step is coating the cake with white chocolate or candy melt. Today I'm going to use this candy melt because it has a better consistency. Keep the top part of the cake flat as possible because we're gonna put the Jellystone on the top, and cover the side of your cake and also add some white chocolate or candy melts in between the cake crumbs to hold it tight. I also made this rock texture crumble with the candy melts. Use full power and microwave for 2 minutes, but check every 30 seconds and stir with your spatula. Once you're done covering with chocolate, chill it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I took out my cake and prepared a plate for coloring. I add black color, brown, purple, and mint green and rose color on my plate. I'm using vodka to dilute the food coloring. The candy melt is a little oily, so the first coat of your painting won't settle easily, so add another coat once the previous coat is dried. Then you will have a nice, beautiful rock color on your cake. And also it's important to make the edges to stand out, so use a dried brush and add a small amount of white food coloring and brush the edges out. And the edges will be more visible and it'll become like a rock texture. And now I'm done with my cake. I'm going to prepare the Jellystone part. I'm using a 4-inch cake tin and I'm adding this little small plastic wrap to add some cushion inside. My experience using cake tin and plastic wrap and cake film inside is the easiest way to unmold the jelly desserts. For the Jellystone, add 2 cups of water and 7 tablespoons of gelatin. And I also add 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can also add food flavoring. Now my mixture is ready. I'm going to prepare the colors and pour into my mold. First I mixed with this mint green and I add some royal blue into the same mixture. Next color was just using royal blue and make a vivid dark blue tone color. And for the last color, I used royal blue and a little bit of rose color to make this violet color. And also a small amount of clear gelatin. I always pour a small amount of gelatin to seal the gap. Let it sit for a while, and once it's settled, start to pour the first color tone. Every time you pour one batch of color, chill it in the fridge and take it out after 10 minutes and pour the next color. Repeat this process until you make all the color layers. Now the Jellystone is ready. I'm going to gently take out my Jellystone and peel off the plastic wraps and remove this cake film. Peeling off the cake film was so smooth and easy because I applied some vegetable oil before pouring the gelatin mixtures. Colors and the textures are looking so good. I'm going to just trim a little bit of edges to add some raw textures. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. After trimming my Jellystone, I just lift the jelly up and put it on top of my cake. Now you can see the entire Jellystone cake. It looks so beautiful with the Jellystone topper. I'm going to just trim a little bit of edges. And there's one more step before finishing up. Prepare a clean, dried brush and add a gold dust and brush the edges of your Jellystone. Now my cake is done. It looks so good with the golden dust and the clear jelly on the top and the rocky texture on the bottom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. I'll come up with more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.